Welcome to our latest episode of Beyond the Horizon, where we explore the mysteries of the universe and the possibilities of life beyond our planet. Today, we will be discussing the topic of life beyond. Is there life on other planets? Are we alone in the universe? These are some of the questions that have puzzled humanity for centuries. But with the advancements in technology and space exploration, we are closer than ever to finding answers. From the ancient civilizations to modern-day SETI projects, human curiosity has always been piqued by the question of life beyond our planet. With recent discoveries such as the potential for liquid water on Mars and the discovery of thousands of exoplanets in the habitable zone of other stars, the possibility of finding extraterrestrial life is more real than ever. In this video, we will explore the Drake equation, the Fermi paradox, the different forms of life that may exist on other planets, and the implications of finding extraterrestrial life. Join us as we take a journey beyond the horizon and explore the mysteries of the universe. The Drake equation is a mathematical formula that attempts to calculate the likelihood of finding extraterrestrial life. The equation takes into account various factors such as the rate of star formation, the percentage of stars with planets, the percentage of those planets that are in the habitable zone, and the percentage that develop life. The resulting number is an estimate of the number of extraterrestrial civilizations in the galaxy that we might be able to detect. The Fermi paradox, on the other hand, is the apparent contradiction between the high probability of the existence of extraterrestrial civilizations and the lack of evidence for or contact with such civilizations. In other words, if the Drake equation suggests that there should be many intelligent civilizations out there, why haven't we seen any sign of them? This paradox raises questions about the likelihood of extraterrestrial life and the possibility of communication with other civilizations. The Drake equation and the Fermi paradox are both important concepts when discussing the search for extraterrestrial life. The Drake equation gives us a way to estimate the number of potential civilizations, while the Fermi paradox raises questions about why we haven't yet found any evidence of extraterrestrial life despite the high probability of its existence. Recent discoveries in our solar system have provided new insights into the possibility of life beyond Earth. One of the most significant discoveries is the potential for liquid water on Mars. The presence of water is considered to be one of the key ingredients for life as we know it, and the detection of water on Mars has led to renewed interest in the possibility of microbial life on the planet. In addition to Mars, other bodies in our solar system have also been found to have potential for life. For example, there is evidence of subsurface oceans on several of Jupiter's and Saturn's moons such as Europa, Enceladus, and Titan. These oceans may contain the necessary ingredients for life and scientists continue to study them for signs of microbial life. Another significant discovery is the discovery of thousands of exoplanets in the habitable zone of other stars. The habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone, is the region around a star where the temperature is just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. The discovery of exoplanets in this zone has increased the number of potential candidates for extraterrestrial life. These discoveries, combined with advancements in technology such as the James Webb Space Telescope and the Breakthrough Listen initiative, have greatly increased the chances of finding life beyond Earth and will continue to help us understand the possibilities of life in the universe. When thinking about life beyond Earth, it's important to consider the different forms it could take. One of the most commonly thought of forms is microbial life. Microbial life, also known as microbial organisms, are single-celled organisms that are too small to be seen with the naked eye. They are found everywhere on Earth and are able to survive in a wide range of environments, from deep in the ocean to high in the atmosphere. The detection of microbial life on other planets or moons would be a significant discovery and would indicate that life can exist in a variety of environments. Another form of life that could exist beyond Earth is complex, intelligent life. This could be any form of life that is able to communicate, make tools, or understand the universe around them. The existence of intelligent extraterrestrial life would have a profound impact on our understanding of ourselves and the universe. It's also important to note that any form of life beyond Earth would likely be based on completely different principles than the life we know on Earth. For example, life on other planets might not rely on carbon or water, and instead use entirely different building blocks and environments. The search for life beyond Earth is ongoing and will continue to be an important area of research in the field of astrobiology. With the advancements in technology and new discoveries, we are closer than ever to finding answers to the question of whether or not we are alone in the universe. In conclusion, The search for life beyond Earth is a topic that has captivated humanity for centuries. From the ancient civilizations to modern-day SETI projects, the question of whether or not we are alone in the universe remains one of the most intriguing mysteries of our time. The Drake equation and the Fermi paradox are both important concepts when discussing the search for extraterrestrial life. The Drake equation gives us a way to estimate the number of potential civilizations, while the Fermi paradox raises questions about why we haven't yet found any evidence of extraterrestrial life despite the high probability of its existence. Recent discoveries in our solar system, such as the potential for liquid water on Mars and the discovery of thousands of exoplanets in the habitable zone of other stars, have greatly increased the chances of finding life beyond Earth. The different forms of life that may exist beyond Earth, from microbial life to complex, intelligent life, give us a glimpse into the possibilities of life in the universe. The implications of finding extraterrestrial life would be profound, and would change our understanding of ourselves and the universe. The search for life beyond Earth is ongoing and will continue to be an important area of research in the field of astrobiology. With the advancements in technology and new discoveries, we are closer than ever to finding answers to the question of whether or not we are alone in the universe. We encourage you to continue to be curious and engaged in the search for life beyond Earth. Thank you for watching.